What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to check out the cabin filter on a 2020 Toyota Highlander. Open up the glove box. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out because we're going to lower this glove box door. First, we're going to need to disconnect the damper here. Just pull on it. Now, there's these stoppers on the sides. I'm just going to have to just pull the glove box in, get that around that. Same thing on this side here. Just pull it, the glove box will come down, actually come off. This is not broken or anything. It's just going to go back on really easy later on. Okay, right here is where the cabin filter is living. And to get this door off, we just squeeze these tabs here. The door will come off. We can pull out this right here. So this one is super new. When you get your new filter, you're going to reuse this plastic holder here. And you just take the filter out of it like this. Okay, if you need a filter, I'll leave a link in the description box for the part number for the filter, so check that out. But yeah, reuse the plastic retainer, pop it back in, and put the door back on. A little tricky. Put the door back on, just click it back on there. Get the glove box, put it back on the hinge, and all you got to do is close it. You're good to go. And hook up the damper here, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.